Here's how to use Instagram prompt notes. So in this tutorial, I'm gonna exactly show you how you can use Instagram prompt notes. So make sure you watch this video till the end to exactly know what to do. So first up, you just need to make sure that your app is on the latest version. How can you confirm that? It's just simply going to your App Store or Play Store if you're on Android devices. But yeah, you just gotta go ahead and type in Instagram and just be sure that your app is up to date. And once you've updated your app, just go to Instagram and just swipe to your DMs. And once you're inside DMs, what you simply need to do is just press on the note section where it says what's new. It could say something different, but you just gotta go ahead and press on this little cloud right over here. Once you do this, you will see three options. The first one being music, second one being a cloud prompt, and then a camera. So you just gotta go ahead and press on the second one, which is in the middle, which has some question mark on top of it. Just go ahead and press on that. And here, as you can see, it says write a prompt. So I'm just gonna type in something random and favorite fruit. And yeah, just add your own response, and I'm just gonna type in apple, and here you go. And as you can see, you've basically made a prompt and in your notes. So yeah, this is pretty much it on how you can use Instagram prompts. So I hope this video actually helps you out. Please do leave a like, drop a comment, and subscribe to this channel. I'll see you in the next one. Goodbye.